With the fire truck.
They probably could. I
Mm-hmm.
went through buildings. How is that even possible?
I
In the
know.
twilight. I'm gonna crush it with my big old fire truck. Like I almost crushed that person. I'm gonna crush him. Boom!
Crushing people, dang.
He still lives though, you know. It's a sad story that he lives.
Yeah, he has to feel all that pain. Oh my gosh, he's on the light.
I made it go down. Yeah, there you go.
Gee. Oh my gosh. And that fire truck loves to be into the air.
Oh yeah. Jump the sun. Oh, so close. I could have made it. It would stop me.
Oh my gosh.
I could touch the sky. Oh no.
Literally.
Springfield. I hate Springfield so much.
Dang, look at your car go. And now you turn around. So, hold on, how is that possible?
What?
Dang, jumping that far. Nothing in real life can jump that far unless it's a bullet.
Unless it's like a fire truck.
Dude, impossible. And this is a game. How is that possible on a game?
It's very possible.
You can either put in a cheat or something. Hey, do that at the
You spin around. What?
Do that at the
Hey.
highway thing.
Like I say, I'll tell you anything.
Do that at the highway jump.
Oh,
Oh my god.
360 spin in the air. Beat that. Fire truck.
Fire truck. Good one. Good one. Gee. Crush him. Do that at the highway jump.
Huh? The what jump?
Press the, go to the highway jump. Go there,
Highway jump.
right there.
Ow. Ow.
Oh my gosh.
Ah.
Now catch some speed.
What the heck? Should I go for it?
No, turn around. That big old fire truck. Oh dang. Oh my gosh, that's what I call pass. Oh my gosh, that's overtime. Yeah, get some speed for that one. Dang, if it jumped that high, I wonder how.